Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the wildest corners of the crypto world. You've probably heard of them, maybe seen them explode on social media, but what exactly are they? Let's break it down. At its core, a memecoin is a cryptocurrency inspired by an internet meme or a joke. Think of Dogecoin with its iconic Shiba Inu dog or Shiba Inu coin itself. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which were built with specific technological goals in mind, most memecoins start out just for fun, driven by community hype and viral marketing. They often have a massive, sometimes even unlimited, supply and are usually very, very cheap to buy, at least initially. This low entry price makes them super attractive to new investors who want to get in on the crypto action without a huge investment. So, how do they suddenly become so valuable? It's all about the community and social media buzz. When a celebrity tweets about a memecoin or a huge online community on Reddit or TikTok starts promoting it, the demand can skyrocket. This is what we call a hype cycle. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, kicks in, and more people buy, pushing the price up. It's a powerful mix of culture, technology, and pure speculation. It's less about the coin's utility and more about being part of a movement. But here's the crucial part you need to understand: the volatility. Because their value is tied to hype rather than underlying technology or a real-world use case, prices can swing dramatically. What goes up can come down just as fast, or even faster. The same social media wave that lifts a coin can also crash it. So while the stories of people making fortunes overnight are real, it's also a high-risk game. It's essential to do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. They're a fascinating and sometimes profitable part of crypto culture, but definitely a roller coaster. So, what are your thoughts on memecoins? Have you ever invested in one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.